Okay.
Okay, boys. Yeah? Yes, dear.
Gotta wait. You gotta wait. Mom has to read who things are for. You have to see. Because there's labels on the gifts. Can you believe it?
Express. Okay.
Take a look and see how much of the carrot was eaten and stuff. Look over by your fireplace.
I can see it.
What? Don't pull anything out, honey.
Pull them out.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, Kev.
Wow, Santa did come. Well, he's drinking the eggnog. Don't drink that.
And drink the eggnog, Kev.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Kev, what do we have?
I already said that. I'm trying to pull the plants out.
You're trying to pull them all out?
I'll leave those up there.
Why?
It's special reason.
Santa puts things in certain
My
spots.
goodness. That one's heavy. I'm going to put it right over here.
Oh,
Wow. Was that your stocking? Choo-choo. Can you believe it?
Read these and see what
Yeah, well, why put them back in the stockings? What does that stocking say?
Well, what does this one say?
Hi, Santa.
Santa.
Santa, come.
Hey, Kev.
No stocking.
What does Santa say, hon?
Oh.
Merry.
Yeah.
What? Merry.
Sorry.
He likes taking them in one pile, putting them in another pile. I guess your light's driving him nuts today.
Here, Kev.
Come on, go rip some paper.
Want to do it, Kev?
Get some paper. Here. You want to pull? That's it. Here. Got some? Up here, Kev.
Dave's helping you.
Ooh.
Dave's helping you, Kev.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa in California.
I wonder what did it. Wow.
Look at that. A rocking rocket.
Wow.
No, it's not a choo-choo, but should we open it up? No, I don't
Sure.
even think we need anything. Look at this.
It's a good
I like these boxes.
box for garbage.
Yes.
I know what we can do.
Hey, Kev.
We have to open this up.
Kev, look.
Hey, Kev. Look what you just got, hon. You want to try it? It's an airplane. Or a rocket. We'll call it an airplane.
Yay.
Whee! Yahoo! Buckaroo! Yay! Look at that big smile.
Wow. Look what I got.
What did you get? A race car.
That's just what I asked for.
And Grandma and Grandpa gave that to you. What do you say?
Wow.
Look, this way. Whoa, Kev, hold on.
I really want to be.
I need
I want
to
to
go.
It's pretty little.
Hey.
Oh no, right into the pole. Ah! Did we have a crash?
Yeah.
Crash?
Yeah.
You gonna pull it around, Kev?
Let's get into the point.
Oh, don't stand in it. I don't want you to go forward. Could you sit?
And did you see me go like this?
There you go. Sit on the seat. And you try to move with your feeties. Backwards. Okay, that's back enough.
All right.
Lights. Here it comes. Who's in the train, Kev? Who's in that choo-choo? Hi, Elmo.
Hi, Elmo.
And who's in the train?
Hi, Ernie.
Who's he gonna go see now? Big Bird?
Good.
Where are all those noises coming from, Kev? Push another button.
Choo-choo.
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 This is so cute. Hi, Big Bird. Where's Nernie? Where's Ernie? Elmo.
Elmo.
Oh, I need another train sound.
Whoa.
Kev, push a button.
I'm trying to make sure I keep it up like this.
Since today is Christmas, could we maybe sing a little Christmas carol? Okay, Kev, your favorite. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. No. Tis the season. That's it. Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Dawn we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Yuletime treasures. Fa la la la
I
la.
don't really care what happens to the trees. I just like that.
La 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 la. Kev, what does Santa say?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's what we said to Santa. But what does Santa say? Good. And what did we say to Santa today? That's a good one. Merry. Yeah, I got it on film. I don't believe it. And what did we say today after we opened all our presents?
Watch this.
Dave?
Thank you.
Right. Kev, what did we say? Thank you. That's right.
Away in the manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his feet. The stars are the dust shine down where he lay. And the little Jesus will sleep in the hay.
Yay! Who's running controls over here? Kev, what are you doing? Are you squirming? That's a funny way of running controls, Kev.
Watch it. Watch it.
Okay, heads down in front.
Did you see that? I stopped and I went too fast.
Okay, we are at the all-important crossfire match. David is on the left. Dane is on the right. Up. Come on, Dave. Let's go.
I ran out.
Oh, no. There he is. Get it, Dave. Shoot it.
Oh, I ran out.
Okay. Time out. We have to reload.
I'll put this over here.
Okay.
In the middle. Here we go. Oh, go, Dave. Go. I see a marble floating over here.
Dad.
I'll get it. Okay. Nobody got it in. Are we reloading? Oh, Dad's still shooting. Go, Dad, go! Yay! What are you watching? What are you watching, hon? Big trucks? And who's with you? Who do you have? Who's that? Barney? And? Woo Woo? And who? Bear? You have a little bear in the middle too? Don't forget Bear. Give him a huggy buggy. Oh, give everybody kisses. Are they do? Yeah, they're blowing it up. Should we go look? This is our big truck video. And they're blasting the mountain so they can put the new road in. This is Kevin's favorite video. It's the 4th time we have watched it today. Mind you, it still is Christmas Day. And every time he has a spare moment, he says, big trucks, and we have to put the video on. And all our doggies are going flying. Okay, sit down. Where are you going? Oh, more animals. He's in love with everybody tonight. What do you got now? Who? Cookie Monster? Turtles? Where's Turtle? I don't know. You got animals all over the place. Love ya. Love ya. Blow me a kiss. Wow, that's so cute. Go like this.